Pull up if you're feeling lonely. Feel up, baby, feel on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely.
Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing my most favorite hairstyle ever. I'm telling you guys. So the first thing I do to prep my hair is just to make sure that the front is slicked back. That way we don't lose any edges. My hair is in like the tiniest little, like flimsiest little twist, just because I couldn't be bothered to comb my hair every day. So I thought I'd just like, you know, braid it up a little bit. The headscarf was giving me life. I actually thought it looked so cute. I was like, oh, I could actually rock, you know, rock this headscarf looking like this. But then I realized the back was flat, not doing nothing for the back of my head. So, you know, let's go on to the wig. This hair is from Asteria hair, 180% density, and it's 22 inches. Literally, guys, BodyWave, jet black. I literally dyed the hair myself. I bleached it up myself. I literally tried. I learned a lot from Daedra, so I thought I'd apply it. You know, it's not as perfect as hers, but you know what, guys, this will do. So what I did learn was that I should cut the lace on my head, and then also make sure that around the corner behind your ear, like, it's secure, so that way the sides won't lift. So I kind of mastered that ish. I'm like 80% there, so I know how it's meant to look and how to stick it down. So I did try, guys. Ooh, yes, honey. Next thing I do is just pluck the side just a little bit. I already pre-did this, but it wasn't enough. I just don't know how people pluck the hair like so good and so real. Like, I'm scared to like pull out too much hair. Anywho, when you are sticking down your wigs, make sure that you wipe off the sides of your head where the makeup is. That way it doesn't interfere with the lace, and also that the application is more clean and more smooth. I use the Got2b glue. This is the white one. I just put a little bit at the side of my head, face, where the lace is going to go. You know the deal. So do that all the way down, and then I'm going to use some free spray as well just to secure this so it doesn't come off, because I'm going to go take a walk outside later. So I want to look cute just for the fact of just looking cute. So I'm just going to stick this all down. The hair, guys, is really, really amazing quality. It's very, very easy to put on. It's just like a really cheap, affordable wig that, you know, you can live your best life in on this on this isolation, separation, all this type of stuff. But look at it. It just goes on really, really well. Like, I'm actually very, 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 very proud. I wish I had way more to say about how I do this, but you just have to kind of sit and watch and let me know how you think it went. This is one of my favorite hairstyles. I've literally just came up with it on the spot, and I've been wearing it ever since on different wigs. And girl, yes, honey, the fact that I actually put this on to the point that it actually can tie up nicely, I'm so gassed. But anyways, guys, please do check out Asteria hair for really good quality wigs that you can actually do at home yourself. You don't actually need to go to the salon. So that's actually like a big win. Get some mousse, you know, do that thing up, and please enjoy the rest of the video. Let me know what you think. Check the description bar for Asteria hair, and I wish you a safe self-isolation, and don't get too bored. It's all in the mind, my G's. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Whoop whoop.